that, and you can tell what is the theme of the year because they keep the same, like that one year, 2011, with all them superhero flicks. They was constantly dipping your ass in that solution because every other movie was a superhero movie. Come get some of this Green Lantern. Come get some of this Wolverine. Come get some of this Avengers. It was a consistent dipping of the. But see, it's not to say that all of these people are not for you, and that's the trick. Everybody ain't against you down here. Some of those films was to help facilitate parts of your subconscious mind so that you can remember that you are the goddamn hero. See. But the science is understanding who's who, and like they showed you in the Avatar flick, like to tell people, right? There was a scene in there, man, where they was getting their ass kicked toward the end of the movie. The chief man of the Avatars had went down. The mother was in despair because she just saw her husband get murdered, and the young lady who trained Jake Sully, right? She started to run off because she saw defeat was imminent. Something inside of her, though, said, stop. Wait a minute. If it's going to go down like this, I'm going down in the flames, too. The moment she turned around and decided that it was going to go down like that, every force in nature came to her beck and call. Every goddamn animal, every tree, every goddamn thing on that planet came out to aid and facilitate the defeat. So what I am saying is once we get the courage, damn it, to understand that we are magical beyond our wildest, the wildest imagination, every element, everything that you can think of on this planet will merge to your will, and you watch what the fuck happened down. It's going to be hell, but sometimes it got to be hell, and you got to shake the grid up in order to get peace. And I had to listen. My thing is this. You know, humanity, spirituality, all this thing. Look, man, we're seeking spiritual things because the human side of our existence is hell. So we want to escape that, you know, and we want to just get over here and do this, that, and the third, and try to escape living in this 3D reality as if this has no part to play in the major scheme and development of what we are as beings in the first place. I don't agree with that philosophy. We are because it is heaven on earth for some people. For some people, all humanity for some people ain't fucked up. So I'm from the school of thought that, look, let's use some of our ancient African practices, right, and these occult measures to bring forth a dynamic that's never been seen before on this planet where we can have some type of balance. That's the science, right? The first thing we say, oh, man, we got to, you got to teach the babies. Look, man, the babies got to know, look, man, we've been saying that shit for 40, 50, 60 years, man. And it's the same old predicament because we've tried marching, we've tried petitioning or with the picket signs, we've done all kind of shit, but we have not, and by default, because some people, right, even though they might not have been out there, their thoughts were aligned with what they saw. So by default, they were participating in that particular movement. Even if they were not there with the pickets and the marching, their thoughts aligned with that movement, which made them attached and a part of that particular movement. So the only movement that we have not tried yet, right, is a magical spiritual solution. We haven't tried that yet. No, what we're here to say is we are trailblazing the way for this shit.